Hey everyone, if your website on Vercel is showing a 404 error, pages are missing, routes aren't loading, or visitors can't access your content, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Vercel 404 errors in 2026. First, verify that your deployment completed successfully. A failed or incomplete deployment can sometimes result in missing pages and 404 errors. Next, check the deployment logs for warnings or errors. The logs can reveal missing files, routing issues, or configuration problems that may be causing the error. Another common fix is reviewing your file and folder structure. Make sure all pages, routes, and components are located in the correct directories required by your framework. If you're using Next.js, React Router, or another routing system, verify that your routes are configured correctly and match the URLs you're trying to access. You should also check for case-sensitive file naming issues. A route that works locally may fail on Vercel if file names and import paths don't match exactly. Another helpful step is confirming that all required files have been committed and pushed to your GitHub repository before deployment. If only specific pages return 404 errors, verify that those pages were included in the build and weren't accidentally excluded during deployment. And that's how to fix Vercel 404 errors in 2026. In most cases, reviewing routes, checking deployment logs, verifying file structures, and redeploying the project will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.